Yo, what's going on, y'all? The Jenkins checking in. I'm currently in the trade on USD JPY at 108.32. I did a sell on it. I bought 13 contract positions at $38.75. I'm up $354 right now. The market's at 108.26. You can take a peek at the chart and find out what's going on the chart. And there we go. We got the market moving down right now. So things are looking pretty good right now on the chart. We got a few minutes left, so I'll get back with you guys in just a moment. All right, we got 24 seconds left and counting. Market's currently at 108.24. My price was at 108.32, so this is going to be a victory. It's just we're going to finish this countdown, and this thing is going to be over here in just a moment. 10 seconds left. All right, we're going to wait till this order get filled. Boom, 5,400 right there. Yes, sir. Alex Jenkins checking out.